Welcome to Picking Principles in our new location. Now in my basement instead of the kitchen, hoping for some better light. You'll recall from a few videos back I showed you a whole load of things. This is the lock that came out of the really cheap tin Weiser knockoff. You can see the keyway. Hopefully the lighting's better. It is normal. I notice on the bottom it's got a spot for 6 pins. But it's a cheap knockoff lock, so I'm guessing there's not going to be 6. And today we're going to be featuring the vise. So let's see if I can put this in here. Clamp it down and get picking. Get it good and tight. Okay. Let's see. I wonder if this will work. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway. I have a 50 thousandths pry bar. That's way too thick. Well, let's see if I can use top of the keyway then with my 50 thousandths. And let's get picking. Let's see. Don't really feel anything on 1. A little click out of 2. It's a tight keyway. Oh. No, nothing there. 3. Oh, I can't get under 4. Oh, I just jumped to the bottom of the keyway there to get under, but then I lost it. I'm going to start over. I lost my placement. 2, 3. Yeah, there's 4. Can't get under it. There we go. A little click out of 4. Not feeling anything on 5. And I don't feel a 6th pin. Back to 1. Oh, dropped into a little false set there after that click. Nothing on 2. And 3 got it open. So that was pretty easy. Well, let me zoom back out. And let's open it up. I don't know why these give me so much trouble. Oh, shoot. Locked it up. Well, let's see what I can do real quickly. I feel dumb. Oh, good. I didn't lock it. Now I feel especially dumb. But let's make sure that doesn't happen again. Just hold it steady. Instead of calling this channel Picking Principles, I should have called it Picking Blunders. There we go, got the cap off. Let's take out the little retaining pin. Let's see if that spring wants to come out. Nope. Okay. Let's chase it with this follower. And I don't know if you can see that, but there are in fact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, but it looks like there's some red pins in there. Let's dump them and see what we got. And they're stuck. Let's help them out. Start at the back here. slid back in. Five. It's kind of copper looking. 4. 3. That's a brass pin. 2. Poke it out a little more. And dump 1. Two brass pins and 3 that are kind of reddish, maybe painted somehow. And let's get these out now. Here's 1. Two, all standard so far. So I think it's time that I load up, oh, lost that one. I think it's time I load up that lock I got from Covert Instruments. I haven't even unboxed it really yet. I haven't pinned it, that's for sure. I looked at it and I'll load it with standard pins at first. But I think I'm going to start putting some security pins in there just to advance a little bit. So let's take a look at these pins. 5 standard driver pins and all standard key pins as well, but pin 1 and pin 3 are the same brass color, whereas these have some kind of reddish paint on them. Don't know why. Probably all the same material, just some paint. Anyway, thank you for watching Picking Principles. Sorry about the little blunder there where I thought I locked the lock and was going to have to pick it twice on camera. Please subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'd appreciate comments, questions, or suggestions. Have a great day.